Hi you guys, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and I just finished making the cutest handmade journal that I am so excited about to start using. And I decided to create a little journal on the go package. So if I knew I was going to be in the car for a while, or going to somewhere where I was going to have to do some waiting, where I had some idle time and I could sit and journal, that I could just grab my bag and be ready to go out the door. So these are the things that I have found to add to my bag. Now, of course, it all starts with the bag. I absolutely love this bag. It says, "She leaves a little sparkle everywhere she goes." And I love glitter. Glitter is the best. So I've got this bag. I don't know the exact measurements of it. It's probably like a 12 by 10 is my guess, but lots of room in there for all of my fun things. So then of course I've got this really cute journal that I just made that says, "Just in case no one told you today, hello, good morning, you're doing great, I believe in you, and nice butt." I think that's the most important line. So my journal fits in here perfectly. See how well it fits in there. And then I've got a couple different types of journaling markers. I've got these really fine tip markers, or pens, I guess. These are my favorite pens. I actually haven't even opened these yet, but I've got some that I keep next to my computer to jot little notes down with, and I absolutely love these pens. Lots of great colors. So those are going in my bag. As well as, look at these awesome glitter markers. These are by Crayola, Art with an Edge, and they've got this great little box, so it'll keep them from rolling all around inside my bag. Oh, look at how cute. So many great colors in this box. So that is gonna go in my bag as well. I don't need this package. And then of course I've got several rolls of washi tape. I just raided my washi tape basket and picked some fun ones, some stripes, some dots, solids, and of course unicorns. You gotta have unicorns. And so those are going to go in my bag as well. Now you can see there's still plenty of room. So if I wanted to buy some stickers or something like that to go in my little travel journal bag, they would totally fit. But now all I have to do is zip it up and I am ready to go journal. Where should I go? Now I need somewhere to go so I can journal on the go. Isn't this fun? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've learned anything today, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not watching it on YouTube, that means you are probably on my blog. So feel free to pin this post, and then you can share it with your friends to see all of the fun, crafty things that we are up to. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Bye.